This Vietnamese wonton soup with barbecue pork is so delicious and easy to make with Quốc Việt Foods soup base. Keep watching to see how we did it. Pause here to get all the ingredients for our wontons. Let's get started with the wontons. Combine 2 pounds of ground pork, as well as 2 tablespoons of our wonton soup base, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix all the ingredients together very well. Add 1 pound of clean, deveined, and peeled shrimp, 1 egg, and knead the mixture with your hands to combine well. Cover and let it rest in the fridge for a little bit. After the pork and shrimp mixture is set, form the wontons. After preparing all of the wontons, start boiling your water and steam the wontons on medium heat for 10 minutes with the lid on. Remove the wontons and set aside. Now let's get started on the broth. Pause here to grab all the ingredients for our broth. Heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot and saute your sliced shallots. Then add your salted daikon and your dried shrimp and saute all together for 10 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 gallon of water to start the broth and 10 tablespoons of our wonton soup base, or adjust to taste. It's totally your preference. Prepare your Quốc Việt Foods fresh rice noodles. Prepare hot water to 190 degrees Fahrenheit and dip the noodles 3 times to blanch. All there's left to do is add all the toppings together in a bowl. Ladle the hot broth over your bowl of noodles, barbecue pork, wonton, and add garnishings like crispy fried scallions, cilantro, and chives. We really hope you enjoy this delicious and easy to make recipe with our wonton soup base. Thank you so much for watching.